Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw Masha and the bear. So today I'm going to do Masha. So it's quite simple. All I try to do is see the figure in geometry like a circle and a triangle and the two ellipses and two hands. So there are some fingers, that can be added. But yes, we let's look at the eyes. I'm looking at the position of the eyes and the nose and the smile she got. Such a lovely, beautiful smile. And the hair. So I think we've got the base drawing. So let's take a black ink and try to fill the details. So let's start with the bow. We got the bow. And then we got the rest of the dress. All I'm trying to draw is on the triangle, and I'm trying to add some thicknesses or parallel lines, and then we are going to fill these lines. Alright, so let's look at the smile. So, and we see that small tooth, that's like a signature tooth that she's got. So I see the eyes are shifted slightly above, so I'm going to shift my eyes, I mean the Marsha's eyes, and that nose, and then we are going to add some detail. So then if you see, there is a small triangle on the top. We're going to add a little more depth. So here we are, almost close to drawing that, and yeah, we also have a hair. So let's bring the cheek out a little so that she looks like smiling. So let's add some hair, which are like a bunch of lines, and add the sweater around her head. And now let's look at the shoes. So we got the shoes here. So here we are, and then we have a small pattern running around her dress. Okay, I think we're almost there. And there are some details here and here. So we can complete this. So let's look at the eyes. So we have a dark circle in the center. So probably once we color it, it's gonna look better. So the shoes can also be colored. Okay, so let's look at the color. So let's choose pink, and then I'm trying to yeah, but yeah, I think we shall end it here and see. how it finally has shaped up. What do you think? Does it look like Masha? Yes. So I think this is a very quick tutorial for you to understand how you can draw with simple lines, geometries, and little curves. All right. Thank you, guys.